This 9.5-inch DiamoTech Ceramic Fry Pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It makes healthy cooking simpler. And you can use your favorite kitchen tools without worry. The special diamond ceramic coating is super strong. This DiamoTech Ceramic Fry Pan is also free from harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. It feels secure in your hand because of its ergonomic handle. This DiamoTech Ceramic Fry Pan heats up evenly, so your food cooks just right every time. It is perfect for frying eggs or making a quick dinner. Cleaning this fry pan is also very easy. Food does not stick to the surface. And you can even put it in the dishwasher. It's like a pledge for easier cooking and cleanup. Imagine the sizzle as your food cooks perfectly on your stove. The DiamoTech Ceramic Fry Pan is more than just a pan. It is a reliable kitchen helper. It lets you cook healthy meals without extra oil. The durable coating means it will last for a long time. It won't scratch easily, unlike some other pans. This fry pan is a key component for anyone who loves to cook. It is not just for groups or big meals. Even for a single serving, the DiamoTech Ceramic Fry Pan shines. It's like the perfect note in a music piece, bringing everything together. Pros: nonstick surface, healthy cooking, utensil safe, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS free, ultra durable coating. Ergonomic handle, diamond ceramic 9.5-inch size, frying pan type, skillet type. Cons: non-stick may degrade. Coating can scratch, not for very high heat, uneven heating possible. Handle might get hot, durability is a question, metal tools not advised, can lose non-stick over time, cleaning needs care, may not be ideal for all cooking features. 9.5-inch size, diamond ceramic, non-stick coating, healthy cooking, utensil safe. PTFE, PFOA, PFOS free, ultra durable, ergonomic handle, uniform heating, no hotspots. This 9.5-inch DiamoTech frying pan has a diamond-infused ceramic coating that helps food not stick and makes it easy to clean. You can use metal kitchen tools on it, and you don't need much oil for healthy cooking. It heats evenly, so there are no hot spots. And the handle is made to be easy to hold. The pan is also made without harmful chemicals. The DiamoTech 9.5-inch diamond ceramic coated nonstick frying pan skillet is designed for healthy cooking with its nonstick surface that reduces the need for oil and is free from harmful chemicals. It's made to be safe with metal utensils and has a strong coating and comfortable handle. Being 9.5 inches, it's a good size for many cooking tasks. But like other non-stick pans, its non-stick ability might decrease over time. The coating could get scratched, and it's not ideal for very high heat. Also, there's a chance of uneven heating. The handle might get hot, and how long it lasts is uncertain. So using metal tools and harsh cleaning should be avoided to help it last. It might not be the best pan for all types of cooking.